I know it looks gnarly, but trust me, you've got this. It all starts with a drop-in. That was verified huge. The next part of the tour is about carving and board control. Let's roll. Don't oversteer, and you'll be rolling properly in no time. Head over to the Ollie course to get started. Ollies are the magical trick that gets your board off the ground, get them on lock, and the city is your playground. Enough words. Let's get those Ollies popping. Now that you've got the Ollie down, let's add some speed and work on your timing. Check it out. Grinds and slides are when you put your truck or board on a rail, ledge, or any sharp edge. Get grinds figured out, and you'll never see the world the same again. Verified grindage. Now I've got something a bit more challenging. If Ollies are magic, then flip tricks are sorcery. But let's start with the basics. Study and research kickflips, sweet pop shove it, San Van water taxi, or a nice flip and kickflip. Ooh! And getting the locals and visitors hyped on the city. Ooh! Let's open one and see what you get. Expressing yourself, you can see your clothes here. Ready? Perfect. I've got more challenges to show you. Let's show those DACs there's a new shredder in the hood. Remember,
Tri-Towers, a DAX hotspot. Tons of great spots to skate. Speaking of spots that DAX like, the SVCC's worked with each crew to show off their faves in each hood.
you got this.
Ooh!
Skatepedia is a database of skate knowledge. If you ever want to know what something is, how it works, or how to do it, Skatepedia's got you covered. Have a browse until you're ready to skate.
Up towards vertical. Perfect for big airs. You shredded the beep out of old Bonsky. Anyway, it's time for me to go clean my grip tape. Worn grip is a phobia of mine.
City challenges are kind of like crew challenges. I've marked city challenges with a timer on your map, so you can spot them easily. The Resident Incentive Program is your key to the city. Keep improving your rep in each neighborhood to unlock more RIP rewards. Okay, let's try a few. And knock out some goals in those city or crew challenges.
Ooh! Ooh!
Start over.
That's it for this one. Video's over. No cutscenes, no credits. Just me eating pavement on Skate 4 like it's an Olympic sport. That's the run. I'd say I got better at Skate 4, but that would be straight up lying. Hit that like and sub button, or I'll spawn in your living room and do a backflip into your coffee table. Stay safe, stay stupid. I'm out. Outro's over. Now watch me ride this board like it owes me rent money.
Nice.